Hey, it's Hugo from Coldwell Banker here, your local real estate expert right here in Lakeview, Chicago and across the Chicagoland. Let's be real, the last few years have been rough for buyers. Crazy bidding wars, home flying off the market and prices going up like Cubs tickets. Prices during the playoff season, right? But buyers have been sitting on the bench, waiting for that perfect moment. Well, this is it. It's called the shift. Summer 2025 just flipped the market script and finally buyers have the upper hand. Let me break it down to you little by little. Let's start with prices. Yes, prices are still rising, but not like they used to. The past spring home prices across the country only crept up to 0.2%, the slowest growth we've seen since 2022. And here in Chicago and in the suburbs, we're seeing the same trend. It's steady, but it's not scary. Now let's talk about inventory. More homes are hitting the market. Finally, that means that you have more options, that you're not stuck with whatever's left over anymore. Sellers are sweating and their prices are dropping, and it's happening all over. This isn't 2021 anymore. Let's talk about rates. Mortgage rates. They're holding pretty steady between 6% and 6.8%. Is it 3% like back in the day? No, but let's stop chasing the unicorns. Stability in rates means that you can plan smart and stop playing with the waiting game. That 3% is gone. Forecasting. According to the National Association of Realtors, they're revising their prediction, expecting 2.5% price growth nationwide, not 5% or 6% like they said before. That's a huge win for buyers trying to lock in that home before prices start going up again. So my take is, listen, if you've been sitting on the sidelines hoping for the market that feels a little more fair, this is it. This is the market you've been waiting for. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I'm a top 1% producer, and I've helped buyers all over the Chicagoland buy smart, negotiate strong, and avoid those common home buying traps. So whether you're looking in Lakeview, Berwyn, Naperville, anywhere in between, I got your back. Give me a call, send me a text at 773-550-4846. Let's have a buyer's consultation. Let's get your game plan together and make your next move to the right one. If we don't have a conversation, you'll never know where to start. So don't wait for the next perfect market, because it's not going to be here. This is the one already full of opportunity. This is Hugo with Coldwell Banker, helping buyers to win one smart move at a time. Talk to you soon.